Fish fingers are easy like your mum used to make. Parachuting into snack territory today. You on socials are going to destroy me online because of this savagery. Let's dive into making this yummy snack. Like me, you do it regularly. Fish sticks and butter just come together perfectly in your mouth. Preheat your oven to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit convection oven. Here's our simple ingredients. Fish, butter, bread and fingers. Aromat, aka Swiss monosodium glutamate. Check the description for full list of ingredients and they'll be on the screen too. Hey, if you're following along, don't forget to tag Pot of Plenty on Finstagram, Twitter or Facebook. I love seeing your creations and negative criticism. See the description below me for handles. Have you ever wondered how a simple combination of fish, bread, butter and fingers can transform into something so incredibly satisfying? Stick around as we explore the secrets of making the best double massive, double crunch fish finger fish stick sandwich. The secret to making the best is a glass of milk or cup of tea. Double crunch, double massive bit of ketchup. There's bread. It looks nice, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Is that a good thumbnail, I wonder?
I think so, yeah. When your mama woke me up this morning, I was barely there.
11 o'clock? Late night last night, was it? A late night last night, was it?
Yeah, I was up until the ass crack of dawn.
What do you do the dawn's the ass crack?
I was gaming.
Yeah, I understand too.
Are they all for me?
Yeah, geez, one glass of milk goes really well with that sandwich.
Yeah, please.
And Guters, as they say in Sweden?
You know, there's some people that don't know that Sweden or Switzerland are different countries. Can you get me those 2 slices of beef?
Bread?
Mm-hmm.
Most people couldn't find Norway, Sweden, or Finland on that, sorry.
I'm gonna...
Do you want two? One, didn't you?
Another one. Yeah, one.
Good catch.
Mm-hmm. I tend to get things thrown at me.
No, you don't.
No, not by you.
And the butter is like 18% salt. Aroma.
Oh my god, that butter.
Where's your milk then?
Right beside me.
Okay.
It's dangerous.
That butter's really good, isn't it? That's homemade butter that we made.
Don't be surprised if it's not there tomorrow morning and I'm oddly full in the morning. It tastes really good. It tastes like that one really expensive butter that we got a while ago.
Isn't that amazing how it tastes like really expensive butter that we got a while ago?
And about a while ago, I mean like 5 years ago, and it was so good, I remember eating
I was
it.
thinking 6 to 6.5 months ago.
No. I'm thinking a really long time ago when Mama and I used to eat butter straight up, because that's how good it was.
You don't want to adjust it now?
No.
Well, say nice things about it now. I won't prompt you.
I was going to.
Oh, that's fucking delicious.
That's really nice.
Sound surprised.
No, I am.
Because I cooked it.
Because I assembled it. No, I like it. It's like the ones we used to make when I was younger.
When I made them properly?
No.
Oh, you mean I don't make fish finger sandwiches for you? Oh, okay.
Jesus. I really, really like it, thank you.
That's a wrap.
Thank you.
That's the whole packet of 15 gone. I think it's good. I picked that packet up. Good night, and may your God go with you.